Finally, after a long time, I've made an Alight Motion tutorial. But wait, Capcut editors don't just fade out from this video yet, because in this video, I'm about to show you how you can master clean text animations using Alight Motion. And yes, this will be a complete beginner's guide, so if you don't want to keep using those unprofessional Capcut pre-made text animations, I mean, of course you can use these animations to save time. But what about customization? That's the real problem. You can't really customize them properly in Capcut by yourself, and that's where it falls short. So stick around because this video gonna make you text animation king.
What?
Before we get started, I gotta drop an important message. My Telegram channel got hacked. I don't know who did it, but yeah, I've lost access to it. So if you're still in that channel, make sure you leave it, cause I have no more control over it. And to the guy who hacked it, if you're watching this, just know you're taking a big L. Anyway, I made a new Telegram. Link's in the description, go check it out. Now we are in our project. Congratulations, Capcut editors, you made this far.
Bro, shut the f.
Okay, so we are mainly focusing on how to make a text animation using Alight Motion. To do this, first click on this icon and write your text. Now how to animate it. Tap on the text timeline, now click on Effect and Add Effect. Here you can see text, click on it. Now you see text transform, add this on your timeline. Now like Capcut effect adjustments, here we got text adjustments, but in more advanced way. So first you see range, which is how long animation will be. Second, transform, which is our main sauce here. Third is visual attributes, we're going to be talking about it later, and interpolation and easing. So first tap on range. You again see three options: start, end, phase. Click on start and add a keyframe. Now move on a little further and add another key and make it 100%. Now you see nothing happens. Cause this is just a command, bro. You just give him command like where to start and where to end. Now open transform option. You will see options like this. Now to give it an animation, select alpha and drag it up to -1%. Now you see using this we just made a fade in animation. You see this animation is currently happening in letters. You can change them into words, line, contour. Just go to transform and select what you want. Let me show with example. Here, I chose word. So it happening with words. If I choose line, the animation will happen with whole line. So this is just a fade in animation. Moving forward to more animation you can do using transform tool. Let me show you. Next is anchor point. It depends on you. I choose component. Next is offset, which is for positions. If I increase the x-axis value, it will animate to the right. If I decrease it and make it minus, it will animate to the left side. Same with the y-axis. If I increase it, the text will animate downward. And if I decrease it, it will move upward. Now next is angle, aka rotation. If you rotate it, you can make this kind of animation. Next is scale, aka zoom in and out. If you increase it, will came up like this. text stretch like this. This is how you can use Transform tool to make animation. Moving to the next is visual attributes. By enabling this, you can add color to your animation. So that's what the visual attributes do, nothing more than that. Now let's move on to the next tool, interpolation and easing. This is a very important feature for smooth animations. Here's how it works. When you use easing, it controls the speed of your animation at the start and end. Now you see ease in and out set both value 100%. If you feel 100% is too much, you can adjust both values to around 50% for a softer effect. Now let's talk about overlap. Right after easing, you'll see the overlap option. By increasing its value, you can make your animations happen more seamlessly. For example, before using overlap, one animation ends and then the next one starts, like a step-by-step motion. But after applying overlap, the next animation will start while the last one is still finishing, making your animation flow naturally without looking stiff. So now, increase the overlap value according to your text. And the last option is random order. By enabling this, your text will appear in randomly, nothing else. So, this is how you can use the text transform tool in Alight Motion. What I showed today is just the basics and a few simple steps to help you understand how it works. You can actually create hundreds of text animations using the text transform tool. All you need to do is play around with it. You can also use graphs to make your animations even smoother and better. If you want to learn how to use graphs on text animations, hit 2.5K likes on this video, and I'll drop a detailed explanation video on it right after. That's it for this video. I know it's a bit late, but the next one's coming in a few days. Till then, peace.